Indianapolis. Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Shelby County, southern Rush County, Decatur, northeastern Bartholomew County, northern Jennings County, until 9:15 light. At 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Shelbyville to 10 miles east of Columbus, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbus, Greensburg, Adams, Hope, Flat Rock, Milford, Westport, Geneva, St. Paul, Hartsville, Milroy, Milhausen, Clarksburg, Lex, Bernie, Newbern, Waldron, Moscow, Grammar, and Newpoint. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 121 and 144. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for central and southeastern Indiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jennings, Rush, and Shelby.